Ever wonder what a wheelchair accessible vehicle is? Well, let me show you. Let me show you the features of this vehicle. So what we have right in front of me is a Toyota Sienna VMI Northstar. This is a lowered floor vehicle with a ramp that comes out. We actually do have a kneeling feature on the van as well, so that way you can go up the ramp even on a manual chair like this. All right, let's go check out inside. When we set this up, we need to be able to have 4 points of contact on the wheelchair. So we have a strap here in the front. We have a strap on the other side here. And then behind the wheelchair, we're gonna have a strap and another strap there. All right, we're ready for the wheelchair to come in. When the strap is all the way in like this, we can just pull up. And then we're gonna connect this to the frame of the wheelchair. We don't want to connect to the wheel or the footrest on there. So then we'll go set up the other side. Again, strap is all the way in. So we just need to pull, connect to the frame of the wheelchair. Then we'll go to the back, rotate, pull. And we can tighten these straps with the dials on the side. And now we're ready for the seat belt. So this is a lap and shoulder belt. We'll connect the shoulder up here. And then the seat belt goes across Mike's lap. And those little hooks will attach onto the strap. And then we can adjust the seat belt. We can adjust the seat belt as needed. Buckle right on our lap here. And then the shoulder strap can be adjusted by pulling here. And then we'll unbuckle. Set this off to the side. We'll go ahead and release the strap since we're right here. Pressing down on the red lever on either side of these, we'll release the straps. Again, on this side here, we're going to release. And then I'm going to go to this side here. Depending on your setup, you will either have the retractor style set shown here, or you may have a manual set as shown here.